You hit 10,000 steps every single day. Your fitness tracker is constantly glowing with digital fireworks. But then you carry a heavy box up a flight of stairs, and by the time you reach the top, you're gasping for air. Basic daily movement is not the same as total physical fitness. Hitting a step goal proves you aren't sedentary, but it does not prepare your body for the specific demands of physical exertion. Much of the fitness industry has popularized low-intensity walking as the ultimate safest form of exercise. It is highly accessible and low impact, which has led many to prioritize comfort and avoid intensity entirely. This is often reinforced by the claim that intense cardio kills muscle gains. To protect their progress, people stay within a narrow physiological window, rarely pushing their heart rate beyond a brisk walk. When you stay in this zone, your fast-twitch muscle fibers remain dormant. While walking burns a baseline of calories, it provides no stimulus for the structural power required to move heavy loads or handle sudden physical stress. Relying solely on step counts creates a deceptive foundation. You might become a smaller version of yourself, but your body lacks the functional strength and resilience needed for anything beyond a stroll. The human body runs on 3 distinct bioenergetic systems. Triggering all 3 is required for a capable physique. This is the oxidative system. It uses oxygen to power low-intensity activities like walking, passive fat burning, and recovery. Because this system handles low-effort movement, it provides almost no stimulus for structural adaptation. It keeps the body moving, but it doesn't force the muscles to become more efficient or powerful. The second engine is the glycolytic system. This mid-range engine handles high-intensity work lasting between 30 seconds and 2 minutes, fueled by glucose. If this system is never challenged, the body has no reason to adapt its metabolic rate or increase muscle density. Neglecting this mid-range intensity is why even active walkers can lack the muscle definition and endurance found in more varied training. Introducing explosive cardio, like weighted jump ropes or burpees, heavily triggers the glycolytic system. This forces the body to utilize stored energy rapidly, helping to reduce fat while signaling the body to retain its existing muscle mass. Without glycolytic activation, your aerobic base is incomplete. You may be able to walk for miles, but your body lacks the capacity to clear fatigue and handle the sudden stress of high-output exertion. Neither walking nor jumping builds the absolute peak force needed for maximum strength. To reach the top level of physical capability, the body must be forced to produce high force in very short windows. This vertical spike represents the phosphagen system. This engine handles explosive bursts of maximum output that last under 10 seconds, providing immediate power without the need for oxygen. Walking fails to trigger this system because your legs carry your body weight with minimal mechanical strain. Without a significant challenge to your current capacity, your nervous system never needs to recruit its most powerful fibers. Integrating external resistance or advanced calisthenics is the only way to engage this system. Pushing against heavy loads forces the phosphagen system to rebuild thicker, denser muscle fibers and increase your absolute horsepower. True physical resilience is impossible without this power base. Without the phosphagen system, you have a body with excellent fuel economy, but no ability to generate meaningful force when it matters. Walking remains a vital part of your routine. It provides the oxidative foundation for daily health, blood flow, and metabolic recovery. On top of that foundation, add 2 sessions of high-intensity glycolytic work per week. This builds the explosive endurance and metabolic conditioning that walking alone cannot provide. The final layer is 3 sessions of phosphagen-focused resistance training. Moving heavy loads or mastering difficult bodyweight progressions builds structural power and strengthens the joints. When you train all 3 systems, your physiology adapts across the board. Your resting heart rate decreases, and your body becomes more efficient at clearing the byproducts of intense exercise. This approach replaces a fragile, step-based physique with a highly conditioned athletic frame. It removes the weak links that typically lead to fatigue and plateaus. Over time, tasks that once caused exhaustion, like carrying a heavy load up a staircase, become routine movements. Your body adapts to the stress, making physical challenges feel manageable and controlled. Complete fitness is not found in a single daily number on a tracker. It is built through the intentional training of a 3-part biological engine that prepares you for every level of physical demand.